Hi everyone, welcome to another video of Excel tutorial series. In this video, we're going to talk about how to randomize items from the list using offset and ranDBETWEEN functions. Here we have two lists of words, and what we're trying to do is to use these two functions and randomly generate name of our next band. Now, because ranDBETWEEN is a volatile function, it means that our band names will regenerate with any workbook change. So all we need to do is to pull the random name from list 1 and a random name from list 2 and concatenate or combine them together into our new band name. So let's go ahead and type this function equals to offset. We have to give the reference or starting point. In this case, our header list A, which is cell A1, is our starting point. Let it lock it in so it won't change for below values. Now the number of rows we want to move this reference down has to be a random, as we don't always want to move down 1 or 2 or 5 or 10 rows. We want to move down a random number between a certain minimum and maximum. So the minimum number we want to move is 1 and the top value would be 20, which would take us all the way down to the bottom of our list. Now for the columns, because we don't want to move from left or right from our starting column, we're going to use a 0 here. And because we're not looking to return a range or array with a given height or width, we can close the function right here and press enter. So now it pulls the random name from the list A. Let's copy the same formula for list B, and what we need to do here is to just change the starting point from A to B, and we're good to go. Now the last step is to just concatenate them. So let's enter equals to quotes, the, space and quotes, ampersand to concatenate, select the first word, again ampersand sign, open the quotes for the space, ampersand again, and finally select the second word and press enter. And we're done making our band name by using offset and ranDBETWEEN functions. So that is it for this video on offset and ranDBETWEEN functions in Excel. I hope you liked this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a good day.